With macOS Ventura, you can now get live captions on any video or audio coming out of your Mac. So just like the automatic captions on things like YouTube, the macOS will now do this for you across any app. So to enable it, go into System Settings, and then from here go on to Accessibility. Under Hearing, you'll then find the option for live captions, and from here you can turn it on using the toggle at the top. By default, these will show up in a floating window above all the other content on your screen, but some apps will integrate it directly into its own interface, for example FaceTime. We can turn that on here as well. Unfortunately, screen recordings don't work of this feature, but as you talk, captions will come up on the screen, a bit like this that you're seeing now. In my testing, I found this to be pretty accurate, and I've actually found it really helpful, so it's a great setting to turn on. And if you want some more really quick tips to help you make the most of your Mac, then please do subscribe down below.